Living in Shanghai, such a developed, busy urban city, I sometimes feel stressful and impetuous. Heavy traffic and metro rush make me crazy every time. The tall buildings are kind of amazing, but their huge shadows are everywhere. Somehow they prevent my sunshine. I've been learning paper sketching for several years. Once I was asked to sketch the city scenery in Shanghai. I felt I couldn't concentrate enjoying. I felt I couldn't catch the real beauty of the city, this country. I didn't draw anything that time. Looking back to the Shanghai in 1990s, no high buildings, clean alleys made me feel peaceful. I began to find the real beauty of this world, of this country. I went to Lijiang, Yunnan province in China. In there, I saw the cleanest river ever. I saw mountains. I saw all kinds of birds, trees, creatures. I felt I was involved deeply in nature. I spent the happiest day there. I really enjoyed the beautiful landscape there. During those days, I couldn't help but picking my pencils, recording them in my paintings. Afterwards, I came to realize that what my pursuit is the process of enjoying the beauty and inspiration of creating. During my travel in Crystal Bridge Museum, I also felt that creativity somehow combined with nature perfectly. The museum located in the North Arkansas. There are mountains and rivers around. I felt that the museum itself was an artwork. I enjoyed the variety of paintings there. I enjoyed more the sculptures and artworks outside the museum. They helped me to shape thought that creativity came mostly from nature. I loved being outside, exposing to the nature. I felt fresher. Now it's only 1 week left before I came back to Shanghai. I feel no more impetuous. Instead, I'm peaceful, so peaceful. I still love this city. I can easily find the beauty from the tall buildings, from the Huangpu River, from even the urban city. It was nature which helped me to open my eyes, catching the beauty in this world.